and welcome back to another very quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your math equations into images or code. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for quicklatex.com. You can see the right username over there. Once you do that, it will ask you to write the code or the equation. For example, if I write this equation, a square is equals to b square plus c square. Once I do that, I just need to hit render, and you can see the output image has been generated with a very interesting and very practical equation. Now I can just simply download this image, save this image, and use it anywhere I want, and even it converts the latex codes as well. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.